Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa. Today I've got a unboxing video. I've got a new fountain pen from a manufacturer I've never ordered from before, so we're going to take a look at it today and we'll see what we see. Let me just pull this up a little bit so I can cut through this without interfering with everything else. I saw this on Etsy and I just thought I'm gonna pull this aside, never ordered from this company before, so I don't know what to expect, but I really liked how this fountain pen looked. It looked absolutely beautiful on their website. Just go like this so I don't slice my finger, and just go like this on this side. Okay, here we go. Pretty quick shipping. This is from the little, actually, let me just look at this really quick. This is from Little Pen Design. I saw them once again on Etsy. This is what their logo looks like and the name of the shop, if you want to take a look at it. And then they wrote me a really nice thank you for supporting a small business, which I absolutely find adorable. And yeah. And they attached in here, this is an ink cartridge insert. It's a clever way of like attaching that. Let's see if I can get it unattached though. Ooh, there we go. So it looks like it takes almost a international short. This is the package, so let me just get rid of the box. Some of these boxes might come in handy for the holiday season. And I think I need to throw some light on. It is very overcast and rainy today, and it has been all day. I like how simply it's wrapped. And now we have more tape to figure out how to get on. I don't think I'm going to be able to save this. Whoa, they wrapped it very, very well. I think the video is going to be more of me trying to get into the package than my initial thoughts and impressions, because I'm not going to ink this one up right now. I've got a lot of fountain pens inked, almost too many, and I'm just trying to get down to my normal 3 fountain pens, and I'm not going to be able to save this plastic wrap because it is very thorough. All right, let me zoom in so that you guys can see this up close and personal. Very simple packaging other than the bubble wrap to make sure it got here safely and unharmed. This company is out of Raleigh, North Carolina. Oh, I like how they gave me a little cloth bag. And this is a thank you note, oops, and a QRC code from them, and I'm going to have to keep the card. The name of this pen was the Vista. It is a polished finish, and it's called it's a red Abalone Dupras. And this was a custom fountain pen. It's got a Yobo number 6 nib, and it is a fine with gold tone. And let's just get into this. I like this little pencil case. And it looks like, ta-da! It's absolutely gorgeous. It is so pretty. I hope you guys are really able to see all the red tones. This is absolutely gorgeous. I saw this, it was like the last one that they had in the store, so I don't know if they're going to restock. I don't know if they're going to make any more, but I absolutely love how beautiful it is. It's really, really pretty. There's a little bit of like sheening in there with the little purple highlights and the blue turquoise color. This year I think I'm going to try to expand and get away a little bit from all the foreign brand manufacturers and start looking at some American-made pen companies like Franklin Christoph, which I only have one Franklin Christoph, and look at some of these other companies like this. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so the nib is, I don't know how they get the stockpile from Yovo, but it is a Yovo number 6, so that's good to know. If I don't like this nib, I can always switch it out, but it should be fine because it's a Yovo nib, and it's a fine. And I just absolutely love how the body of this pen looks. This grip section is nice. It's a nice size grip. It's a good size pen. I mean, it's not your pocket pen, but it feels really good. Let's check the balance of it. It's a light pen, so it does have some balance. It doesn't seem like it's top or bottom heavy in the grip or heavy in the bottom. It's, I'm sure, some kind of acrylic resin. And it's absolutely very nice. Ooh, and I got a cartridge converter. I love it. Oh, this is really well done. So I'm looking forward to inking this up. I've got some reds that I can probably use, so I won't be struggling to figure out what ink to stick in it. I just got to figure out which ink to stick in it because I've got plenty of reds, and I've got even, I think, I don't have anything that's got this blue-greeny kind of color. It's coming off really light blue, but it's, yeah, it's kind of a light blue kind of color. I even have some variation like right in here. So it's just a really nice, really well-made pen. I like the fact that the finials are flat on this pen, and it's not a cigar-shaped pen. That's for sure. So let's just see if it will stand upright. And it does. Oh, I love me a flat finial. Oh, that's gorgeous. So 2 thumbs up for me on my initial impressions. I will probably ink this up in a couple of weeks. I will come back if anybody wants me to do a follow-up video on my impressions on the writing of it and how I found the nib to be. I know it's a Yovo number 6, but do I like this Yovo number 6, or am I thinking I might Franken pin it and switch it out with like a Franklin Christoph nib, which I could do because it takes a Yovo number 6. But I just love all the swirls and all the different colors that are kind of coming through this pen. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I don't have anything like it in my collection. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'm sorry for the camera shakes. I'm trying to be as steady as possible. And if you have any comments, questions, like I said, let me know. All right? Until the next time, stay safe. Talk to you later. Bye.